Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please guys, watch till the end and discover how to make an easy woolen flower in this captivating YouTube tutorial. Get 2 colors of wool and hair comb. Count out 10 teeth from the comb and wrap the first color of wool there for 4 times. Tie to secure it. Count out 8 teeth from the comb and wrap the second color of wool there for 4 times. Tie to secure it. Now count out 6 teeth from the comb and wrap the first color of wool on it for 4 times. Tie to secure it too. Pass the 2 strands of wool right at the middle of the comb and use that to secure the woolen design. At this point, pull the design out from the comb and sew one side to form round shape. Make the little pieces 5 and join them together. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Sew in a bead at the middle to make the flower flawless. I know you all will find this tutorial very easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching. See you all soon.